Welcome to Animal a Day. 10 common housefly facts. The army of trillions. 1. The common housefly is one of over 70,000 fly species in the Cyclorhappa suborder. They are named that because they are the species of fly that most commonly invades houses. 2. They have been found all over the globe, even in the Arctic Circle in Antarctica. Flies and all kinds of insects hitch a ride on boats to Antarctica, but most die from the freezing temperatures. 3. Adult houseflies are very small, measuring only about 1/4 of an inch or 6 millimeters. 4. They have 2 large compound eyes that cover most of their head. Compound eyes are basically a grouping of thousands of tiny eyes, and it lets them see in almost 360 degrees. They also have 3 smaller simple eyes, which are thought to only be used for determining amounts of light. 5. Exact numbers would be impossible to calculate, but some people estimate that there are trillions or even quadrillions of flies in the world. 6. They have short lives with a fast life cycle. First, eggs are laid in trash, feces, or any decaying matter. After hatching from their eggs, the fly maggots feast on their surroundings. 2 to 4 weeks later, they surround themselves in a cocoon, and within a week they emerge as houseflies. Then, within a day, they are sexually mature. Finally, after living their little fly lives for about a month, they die. 7. Though they only live for a few months, they can process information about 7 times faster than us, so they may perceive time differently. This fact, combined with their almost 360-degree vision, is why when trying to swat them, you need to strike them hard and extremely fast, or they will easily dodge you. 8. Houseflies can taste with their legs, and if you see them rubbing their legs together, they are trying to clean them. 9. When landing and eating food, they spit up saliva to soften whatever they're on, and then suck the liquefied food into their mouths. They also poop almost every time they land. And 10. Since they love being on or around feces, puke, or carcasses, they can carry a host of parasites, bacteria, and deadly diseases. They can carry salmonella, tuberculosis, typhoid, anthrax, and many more. These last 2 facts are why you should always throw away food that flies have landed on. Thanks for watching. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe for more daily animal videos.